Hello, and welcome to another Wednesday's Musings. So let's go into this whole notion of change and why it is necessary during these times of great earth changes to be open and to surrender to this level of change. Now, historically, as you know, humanity has had great resistance and reluctance to change anything because it likes the familiar. It likes to hang on to tradition, whether it works or not, psychologically, emotionally, and energetically. The change as we are moving into the age of Aquarius, change is necessary. So it is like the analogy of the snake as it sheds its old skin every year. Humans can do the same thing energetically. To do the yearly shedding of old clothes, of old ideas, of old ways of thinking and behaving. Yes, change may involve moving into what is considered the unknown or the unseen, but that can be a beautiful thing. That can be an amazing thing because you would be open to unlimited opportunities. So to move away from resistance to change to welcoming change, it's a very positive step. Change to new location, change in career, change in how you do your spiritual practice or your healing practice or your coaching practice, change in being open to new levels of relationships that are more conducive to self-growth, learning, and connection. Imagine all the times that you've moved in your life and what you went through emotionally and psychologically in the whole process of moving, of packing up, unpacking, loading up, unloading, selling stuff. It wasn't necessarily easy. Lots of resistance, although you knew on another level that that was necessary. So physical moving, if it is called for you to do this year, can be a great learning process, a surrendering process, and a growth process. So if you feel resistance to any level of change, be it minor, major, everything in between, maybe sit down, take a deep breath, and contemplate, write down in your journal, what is it that is resisting this move, this change? Why? Why am I resisting? I know I need to make the change. I need to know I need to evolve out of this marriage that hasn't worked for the last 10, 15 years. But there's security in that, even though I'm suffering. Why would you want to be in any kind of situation where there's a lack of communication and connection? Tribal conscience have taught you many things that are not true. The vows of marriage down the road has kept you binded in a stagnant kind of condition that has created much internal suffering and stress. worry and doubt and even anger. Why? So look at your past agreements, marriage agreements, any kind of agreements that you have made with people and your career, and ask, is this now still appropriate for me, for my highest good and my self-growth? And if you get a no, then you need to accept and acknowledge that, okay, change is in the air. I need to take a few steps forward. It takes a lot of trust to make moves on any level, with or without support. But as you look back, all your moves that have been spiritually directed have been very positive in its benefits, has it not? So today we're just simply going to remind you that change is definitely in the air. And to not resist the calling of your soul, your spirit, in making changes on any level, on every level. So imagine, in a way, that you are shedding old clothes and shoes and hairstyles, and you're going to move into another level of clothing and hair restyling that best reflects your new beginnings and your next level of growth and manifestation. So with that thought, contemplate this for the next week and journal about it. How is it I'm to make changes? You don't necessarily have to know the how of the change. But once you realize that change is necessary and I now choose to take the next step into the unknown, all will be provided. All will be provided as you stay open to receiving assistance from the known and the unknown, from people that you know and from people that you do not know. But definitely you have support from the unseen realms called angels and masters and our star brothers and sisters, and from the earth itself. So pay attention to the signs that will come your way. Trust your intuition, your instincts, your impressions, and go for it. Be not afraid. It is time to stand in your power, in a sense of time to reclaim your level of integrity and empowerment. So keep your throat chakra open. Say yes when you want to and say no when you don't want to. So until next time, many, many blessings. Have a great, great springtime. Knowing that change is definitely here. And it is time to get unstuck from all historical potholes, if you will, dragging your feet, so to speak, mired in the muck, so to speak, releasing your burdens that you have upon your shoulders, and releasing other people's thoughts, feelings, and emotions. And releasing the need, the inherited need to save the world. That is to save your family, save your kids, your parents, your friends, your clients. Food for thought. So until next time, have a very blessed week. And if you want to know more about our new offerings and programs, go to kenjikumara.com. Our membership program is now open. It's going to be a very fun thing to do into eternity. And our new mastery program will be open the first of the month for signups. So please do check out our offerings, our events, our new programs, and we will be in Sedona next year, 2025, for 2 5-day non-residential retreats. You may want to go to that. That will be a most unique and life-changing event. Many blessings. Kenji Kumara signing off for now.